seems like a very cumbersome process. At least not everyone is able to handle that kind of detail into the sourcing process. Generally, Amazon sellers are taught, hey, talk to a supplier on Alibaba, place an order, pay them with the Alibaba assurance, and that's pretty much it, right?
Yeah.
Nobody talks about the raw material cost, at least. So
exactly, a lot of the Amazon suppliers, they do go through Alibaba or an AliExpress or something like that. They don't realize how many hidden fees are built into, the order they're paying, because obviously for a factory to be listed on Alibaba, they have to pay their yearly membership fee to be on Alibaba. Then they have to pay their marketing costs to become one of the top ranked suppliers on there. So obviously each order is going to have these small fees built into it. And it's the same thing when it comes to the shipping rates. They're adding extra profit into the shipping rates because they're handling the booking of that as well. So, you can really eliminate a lot of fees there. That's why in general, when brands come to